What is up, you guys? Brick and Awesome Films here. And today, I'm going to teach you how to make Wonder Woman's invisible jet. You're going to need a truckload, and I mean a truckload of invisible Lego bricks. But they're the hardest parts to get. Do you know why? Because invisible Lego bricks don't exist. So how do you make the darn thing? You make it out of nothing, because nothing is invisible. What else is invisible? Wonder Woman's invisible jet. Then, with a snap of your finger, you made the invisible jet for Wonder Woman to fly in and stop the bad guys. Okay? Okay? Just get in the jet. Please. I'll give you free cookies. Please. I just made her bald. Okay, now you're back. Just get in the stinking jet, you worthless piece of